Hey yo, it's important that you sort out your badges, as otherwise on the street they'll think you're nothing but smelly nudges. This is one of the most important things on your car, the badge. It represents your car and it represents you. If your badge is scruffy, dirty, old and fucking knackered, that means you are old, knackered, can't be arsed, and you ain't getting no pussy. So you gotta have fly badges, man. Please note that on the new BMW 6 Series, 7 Series, most of the X Series, except for the X1, E92, 1 Series hatchbacks, you just need to replace the emblem on the rear. So check it out. Right guys, when doing up any car, or well, if you like your car, you need to replace the badges. Now this one has been on there for 3 years, and 2.5 of those years it was spot on. It was, I mean, pretty much as good as new. But as soon as I left my car outside, stationary, for half a year, when the engine was broken, it wasn't covered up or anything, so you know, the weather takes its toll. It's kind of gone all matty. So really, you have to wash and dry off your badge, put some you know, maybe wax on it or something like this to protect it, because as you can see, I haven't washed the car for half a year. It's just been standing there covered in dirt and dust, and unfortunately, you know, the chemicals in the in the rain, also the chemicals from the these, all the different kind of car wash products, detergents, etc. that you use, will break down the structure of the epoxy resin and then make it degrade. So you know, it's important to polish your badge, to look after it, basically. So we're gonna replace it. I'm sure all of you know how to take off the front badge. For those of you who don't, very easy. So that's why a lot of them get nicked quite often. You just get I mean, I've stuck mine on so that it doesn't get nicked, but get a screwdriver under there. It's also a good idea to wrap it around with a cloth or something so that you don't scratch your paintwork, but I know what I'm doing, so I'm not going to. But please be careful, guys. It looks like this geezer was changing his badge too. If your badge is stuck on quite hard, then I would slide a ruler under it so that you don't scratch your paintwork. Then slide a screwdriver or knife or something under it, right under, and just hope, pop it up. That's it. So that's not good anymore. Chuck it away. Now these grommets, they'll be left in your car, so make sure they're not left on these pins or anything. So that's these two grommets. That's what's holding your front badge in. So see that how easy it is to take off, and that's why unfortunately a lot of these badges get stolen by these fucking bastards. Anyway, you need to clean the surface with an alcohol wipe, because we're gonna secure it with some 3M tape. It's makes it a lot harder to, well, not a lot harder, but harder to steal. Takes more time. And B, you know, if some moisture gets under there or something, or you haven't quite pushed it down enough, wind might get it, and if you're driving fast, it might fly off and you lose your badge. So it's always a very good idea to just put some extra 3M tape on there, so that your badge stays on solid. 70, I think. Same situation with the rear badge. So we can supply you just the emblems without the back plates, because the back plates only go on the front on the 7 Series. For the rear, you just need the 80mm emblem only. So aluminium, high quality. This has gone like this because the car has been standing for a year and I haven't washed it, and it's been scorching sun and it's been dirty, so all got messed up. So we're just gonna replace it. To do that, just slide the knife under there. If you have an original emblem on there, then this process is a little harder because the original emblem is stuck on rock hard. But same kind of process, you just need to prise it off. So that comes off. When you take your one off, if you haven't fiddled around with it, this won't have a hole inlet in there like this. It will be like basically concave. So to get this badge to stick on it properly without any gaps, you'd have to cut this hole in there basically. To do that, you need a jigsaw. There are some holes in there. You put a jigsaw through there and just cut a circle around it. Otherwise, the top bit will push up your emblem and it wouldn't look as good. So we don't need this anymore. Chuck it away for now. So just get your good old super glue. Don't use liquid, as I said before, because it might leak all over your new badge and then you'll complain and moan and cry and all that kind of stuff. So just use some gel. Put it on the edge, see it doesn't leak, so you can try and line it up. I mean, with the BMW badges it's not that easy to line them up, just to get them straight, but kind of use your judgment.